fibers. These are skeletal muscle fibers. This would be the axon. Exactly, axon. And you see branches of the axon so that there will be neuromuscular junctions on different muscle fibers. This thing here is the neuromuscular junction. Yeah, you can say synaptic nod, synaptic bulb, or you can say neuromuscular junction. Either one is fine. And it looks just like the picture that's in the book.
You can find notes back, right? Oh, no, you did.
Okay, this is kind of a nice picture because you can see many neuromuscular junctions on those different muscle fibers there. Notice the different branches of the axon leading to the different neuromuscular junctions. That one's not quite as clear as far as those actual junctions. Okay? What is this tissue? Cardiac muscle. How do you know? Intercalated discs. Right, this is the only one that has the intercalated discs. And you can see them really clearly here. Because cardiac muscle cells branch, that's why you see spaces between the cells. It looks a little messy because of that. You see very faint striations, but you can really see those intercalated discs. This is not as magnified, but you can still see them here. This is a good picture of it. It's pointing to a blood vessel. Okay. Okay, what is this tissue? Excuse me, smooth muscle. This is what it will look like in the slides, where you see kind of a sheet of smooth muscle cells that looks a lot like dense, regular connective tissue. Now here in this picture, you can kind of see the shape of some of these cells. This is probably not going to be the way it will look usually in slides because you can't always see this, but notice you see the shape of the cell here, which gives you a little clue. These cells come to a point, and no striations. That is how you know it is smooth. Okay, and this is skeletal. Now it looks a little bit messy up there at the top, but you can see where the arrow is. Those cells are all long and parallel. They don't branch. Notice many nuclei. These cells are multinucleated. And you can see the striations. This is going to be more magnified, but this will show the striations really clearly. Now here you can see really clear striations, but again, you just see like dark light, dark light. This is actually the A band, and this is the I band. But you just call these striations. Okay, in a slide, these are just striations. Okay. Again, the cells are long and parallel. They do not branch. Multinucleated, and so that is how we know it is skeletal. Okay. Skeletal muscle. Do you guys have any questions? Any of those you want to go back to? Okay. It is just that easy. That's all there is to it for the slides.